So let me show you how to unpair your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro from your Windows PC or laptop. Now, with your buds connected like that, all you need to do is to go into the Start menu at the bottom here, click on Start, and then you want to select Settings, and then under Settings you want to go to Bluetooth and Devices, and then as you can see up here, here are my buds. They are currently connected to my Windows PC or laptop. So tap on these three dots at the top here, and the first thing you can do is to simply disconnect them from there. And once you disconnect them, they're going to be disconnected and you'll no longer be able to use them to listen to music at that particular moment. However, once you open your earbuds once again, they're going to be connected automatically, as you can see. So as you can see, they're connected. So all you need to do so that that doesn't happen, for them to not connect automatically, simply select that option once again, disconnect, and then remove device. And your device is going to be removed. And now to connect to your Windows PC or laptop, you'll need to set up that connection once again. But that's basically how to disconnect and unpair your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro from your Windows PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.